The unveiling of the new sign for the East Gwillimbury Public Library's Literacy Garden. I was here in 2010 for the first unveiling, and I'm amazed by how this garden has evolved and grown. This is a wonderful example of the ongoing collaboration between multiple community groups and volunteers who have continued to care for and enhance this space. To acknowledge our partnership, this new sign includes all the logos of our community partners who have continuously worked with us over the past 11 years, creating this wonderful and unique outdoor space for our community to enjoy. Thank you for your hard work and dedication, and I look forward to watching this literacy garden grow even more.
For the past 11 years, this has been an outdoor community hub for all residents to experience literacy and nature. The Literacy Garden was created in collaboration with East Gwillimbury Public Library, Friends of the Library, the Town, and East Gwillimbury Gardeners. This lovely, unique space extends the library programs and services into the open air. As our town grows and the library modernizes, this new sign reflects a commitment to maintaining and updating our unique library space.
We basically kept the same sign, but over the last 11 years, a number of the organizations had changed logos and names and so on, so it was a timely thing. It's a place to rest and reflect. Moms with babies can come and have a break and a snack and read a book. They can carry on their walk. And we hope that it will be used for library outdoor programming as well.
My name is Brenda Neer. I'm president of East Gwillimbury Gardeners. We are a local gardening club that meets monthly, February to November, normally in the Mount Albert Community Center, but currently online in partnership with the East Gwillimbury Library. Meetings are free. Anyone is very welcome to attend. We are also responsible for the upkeep of several gardens in East Gwillimbury, including this lovely garden at the East Gwillimbury Public Library.
The garden was awarded in 2016. It received a very prestigious award from the Ontario Horticultural Association, the Community Improvement Award, which is given to societies that have created garden spaces that improve the life of a community, as well as improving the environment. We have been very fortunate to receive donations of plants and soil from local garden centres, which we've appreciated very much. I loved it when children come and give me acorns and things that they found.
We're always, as a group, examining our practices and our best practices, and what we have learned is that our pollinators are really important. We then transform that area into a pollinator garden for everybody to enjoy coming to the library. The garden itself contains mostly native plants. We have a special one, a liatris, that grows about 3 feet tall, that is an absolute magnet for monarch butterflies.